Scenario 12. Marco and Julia are preparing for their trip to London, which is scheduled for tomorrow morning. As they pack their luggage, they discuss their plans, including a beach outing with Julia's family during their stay. Marco is searching for his swim pants and asks Julia for assistance. Additionally, they review their flight schedule to London and plan their transportation to JFK Airport from home.
Hey, Julia, have you seen my swim pants? I can't seem to find them anywhere.
Let me check. I think they might be in the bottom drawer of the dresser.
All right, I'll take a look there. Thanks. Ooh, found them. Thanks, Julia. Are you all set with your beachwear?
Almost. I just need to pack my swimsuit and a cover-up. I'm so excited to spend some time at the beach with my family.
Me too. It'll be a nice change of pace from the city. Do you think we should bring anything else for the beach day?
Maybe some sunscreen, towels, and a beach umbrella. I'll make sure to pack those as well.
Good thinking. I'll grab the sunscreen and towels. By the way, have you checked our flight schedule to London?
Not yet. Let me pull up the confirmation email. Here it is. Our flight departs from JFK at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Okay, so we need to be at the airport a few hours earlier. How do you want to get there?
I was thinking we could take a taxi. It'll be more convenient with our luggage.
Agreed. I'll arrange for a taxi to pick us up around 7 a.m. to give us plenty of time.
Sounds like a plan. I'll finish packing up my stuff, and then we can relax for the rest of the evening.
Great. I'll double-check our essentials, and then we'll be all set. Can't wait for our London adventure, Julia.